Hey Milo, you ready to go? What are you doing? Oh my goodness, I'm getting foot loves. Let's turn this fan off. Getting footsie loves, huh? You're loving my feet? I know you're not doing the feed me dance. I fed you before I went inside. Yeah, I did. Well, we are in Hillsboro, Texas. I don't know what this is. This is the second week in a row they sent us to Texas, and it's flipping hot down here. Yeah, it is, Milo. I'm not sure I'm crazy about this hot. Oh, use my stool, huh? Went in, took a shower. At least I got a shower this time. Grabbed some dinner. It's 9:30. It's late. Seems like things were not going real smoothly, but we got it done. And we're about 2 hours from where we deliver. I couldn't eat. This is aluminum cable trays, I think is what this is. Goes to a construction site. Yeah. Oh my goodness, somebody's so happy. They're so happy. Yeah. Yeah. One of your cameras died while we were driving. So we lost the front Milo camera about the time we hit Dallas. So just got side views for the last part. I have no idea what they turned out like. Milo. What? Look at those ears. What are you doing? I'm so happy I came back. It took forever to get a shower tonight, didn't it? I had to wait a long time. There were lots of people in front of me. This is one thing I liked about doing the boats is because I generally it was a little bit more relaxed to deliver and get back. I didn't have to run quite so hard, so I could stop around noon and take a shower. While doing the flatbed, even if I had time to stop around noon, I generally deliver in the morning and then pick something else up in the afternoon, and it's hot, and there's no point in taking a shower around noon because then I would need another one when I got stopped. So, we still haven't heard, have we? They still haven't told us. But boats were supposed to be back running by now, but I don't know what's going on. So we're still running the regular stuff. It's so much more hectic. It's so much more hectic. It is. Yeah, we don't. I don't know. It's just more hectic. Not as easy of a drive. Not as easy to unload and reload, and everything's rushed. But we got it. We're doing okay. Well, you guys, I'm gonna have my dinner. I'm ready for bed. We have to get up and be moving by 6 a.m. so we can get to this job site on time. You guys all have a good day, and we will talk to you again next time.